Hey girls, how are you? Happy Friday Eve. I got a ton of stuff from Devoted. I'm really excited. A lot of jewelry. Ben just went to Tops. My littles are over there on their tablets watching something in another language. So do your kids, anyone with little kids or grandkids, do they watch like random kid shows with toys and stuff, but they're in another language? They're like Russian or Chinese. I don't know. But anyways, yeah. She's got a booger. Would you like to come here with a tissue? She can handle it. Okay. Well, we're going to work fast because we never know when the boogers... Yes.
I can't do it.
I'm not sure if you know, but I'm actually on a video over here. Do you see this? Do you see this video? Okay, girls. We'll see how long this will last. I have a ton of Premier jewelry, and I have a ton of jewelry from our newer brand called Starfish Project. We'll see what we can get through. Right now, this is, I'm literally unboxing it. I haven't looked at anything. This is the Unite cuff bracelet, brand new from Premier Designs. Super pretty. So this is gold. It's a shiny gold, and I believe it stretches, so you can kind of see how it fits. Ooh, that's pretty. Very delicate. So that's the Unite. It's almost like an infinity sign, but not. So that's the Unite cuff. Let's see what else we have. Perspective. Okay, so this is not brand new. This was from our fall line, but I had not had them yet. So these are the hoops that are brand new that sort of take over for the social hoops, and we have them in 3 colors. Ooh, they're very, very delicate. So these are the perspective hoops in silver. They have sort of a texture to them. They are feather light, very, very light, which is surprising based on the pictures in the catalog. So I'm excited about those. A new pair of hoops is always a good thing. This is the Gather necklace. I've had so many requests for a ways to wear it with this necklace. I had to get it, of course. We'll see how tangled it is. A lot of times with these more delicate necklaces, they get very tangled in shipment, so I might have to play around with it. But what I wanted to show you was the tassel. So let's see. We might have to come back to this one later. But look at the tassel. Oh my goodness, are you okay? You need to sit up, remember? She's got a little bit of a cough. Look how pretty that is. So I will untangle that one at another time. You can tell I haven't opened these yet because they're still a little tangled. Ooh, treasure. Okay, so these earrings, I did not purchase when they came out because they looked really heavy and I can't do heavy earrings. But then I heard that they were really light. So I decided to get them. Ooh, they are really light. Don't they look heavy? In the catalog, they looked so heavy. But they're not. They're like paper thin. See how thin they are? Fish hook. Ooh, these might be like my new go-tos. So these are the treasure earrings. So much stuff. Okay, Cherish. Ooh, this is pretty. This is gold. I don't like the names of stuff. I can never remember anymore, so I'm having to remember. These are earrings. I want to say they have a necklace that goes with them. I'm not sure. So these are the Cherish earrings. They're a matte gold, so you could definitely wear them a little more casually. Those are super fun. Looks like someone's watching. I'm not sure who, so make sure you say hello if you're watching. Okay, let's see what's next. Reconnect. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. Oh, this is cool. It shows you on the inside some different ways that you can play around with the lobster clasp to wear it. So this is definitely one that I will be featuring on Ways to Wear It Wednesday, of all the ways that you can play with it. So it's a really beautiful, it matches the, hey Molly, it matches our snappy wrap bracelet, or our snappy bracelet necklace. It's that same sort of teals and different colors, and then down at the bottom it has all these super cute charms. Look at that reversible. I'll turn it around. Can't wait to play with that one. It almost looks like a little lock with a heart, really pretty charms. So this is a cool one. It has a lot of versatility. It has the removable extender. It can also be like a wrap bracelet, I think. So I'm going to have a lot of fun. Literally, this is the first time I'm seeing it, so I will have to play around with it and then look out for this one on Ways to Wear It Wednesday when I do that every so often. So that was our Reconnect. Belong. Again, I'm totally forgetting what a lot of these are. There's so many pieces now. It's hard to keep track. Oh, yes. Okay. So this one, oh, this is a good Ways to Wear It too. Let me just okay. So this one's super delicate. It is a necklace with a movable like drawstring. So you can wear it really long like that. You can wear it shorter. You can turn it around, wear it backwards as a choker because it has these beautiful beads. See those beads? I love that they mixed the silvers and golds again because I'm a big fan of mixed metals, so that you can wear all different colors. Hey, Lisa, saw that you're watching. So that is our Reconnect. If you are just joining us, I just got a ton of new stuff from Devoted that I'm literally unboxing. I haven't even seen any of this until now, so I thought I would share with you girls. This is our new community earrings. These are fun because those are pretty. So they're a gold hoop earring, but all of these little charms are removable. So you can mix and match. There's like regular gold, they're matte gold, and then there's like a turquoise one. You can remove them if you want to wear just one or all of them. So you can play around with those. So those are our community earrings. Noel. So this is not a piece of jewelry. So every year Premier does an ornament of the year for Christmas. And so this is our ornament this year. This is so different than the ones we had last year. So this is our Noel ornament. It says Noel on the other side. It's actually made of wood, so it's really light. It's the nativity scene. Oh my gosh, how cute. Last year, and actually the past 2 years, our ornaments have been really sparkly and glitzy. And it has a little Noel in the box. How cute. So I'm excited to see that it's sort of a more like antique-y type of look. Okay. Harmony. I'm trying to go fast because I have so much stuff. I don't know how much I will get to show you before the kids lose it. Okay, Harmony. This one is super delicate, and this was the one of the ones that I had to have. Delicate necklaces are so in. So this is Harmony. Super delicate gold necklace with a sort of a horseshoe turquoise. Of course, it is reversible. So the other side is really pretty gold with some crystals. My Apple Watch is literally quoting me right now. Do you see? It thinks I'm talking to it. So that is our Harmony necklace. Definitely see myself layering that with some of the other pieces. You know, I'll sort of mix and match and show you girls how to wear it. Next is Revitalize. Okay. This came out in the fall. I did not grab it. I had to choose. I chose the other bracelet, but you guys were freaking out about this bracelet, so I had to get it. So this is Revitalized. This is the same as one of those other, I forget the name of it, but the silver and gold one that has the magnetic closure. So it's really soft on the inside, and then it's that beautiful turquoise and ivory. It's got a little bit more green in it, and then the matte gold closure. Super easy to wear. So that is the Revitalized bracelet. And then our Together necklace. This is for sure going to be on a Ways to Wear It with me. It is a 2-piece, I believe. So it has a shorter, ooh, I like those clasps. Okay, let me see how I do it. I'll have to play with it. So a shorter, like thicker chain that's more, like I said, short, and then a longer one.
I'm having trouble hearing you.
My phone thinks I'm talking. Okay, and then a long chain. So it's 2 necklaces in one, and then you can play around with them and wear them together or separate. So you know I will be playing with that. And I will have a YouTube video up on that. Okay, stay with me. That was all the Premier jewelry I have. But surprise, I have more. We actually have another jewelry brand on my Devoted website now, which is insane. So now we have another brand on top of Premier jewelry. We have a brand called the Starfish Project. First of all, their packaging is absolutely gorgeous. The earrings come in boxes like this with the little windows. So how perfect is this for a gift? Starfish Project, it says, wear hope, give hope. It restores hope to trafficked women and girls. Every piece of jewelry you wear allows us to bring hope to women trapped in exploitation and offer them a new life. So this particular company helps women that have been part of sex trafficking or trafficking. And on the inside of the boxes, there is a little devoted card. And oh my gosh, so cute. It says, the devoted this piece was created for you by women escaping human trafficking. One of these women is, and then she literally hand signed it. Her name is Bai. So this company's in Asia. And then it says, visit our website to read her inspiring story of hope. So every one of the pieces has a signature inside of who packaged it. So I just love that. None of the names are on these items, so I have to look at the names. So I apologize that I don't know them. This is a really pretty sort of pearl and gold piece. And again, the packaging is like stunning for Christmas time. The 2 earrings, again, I totally forget which ones what the names are. These ones are like a half moon, super pretty gold. These are a geometric silver hoop, which is pretty. And again, packaging is stunning. This necklace I'm very excited about. Super delicate, silver. Like the 2 little pieces that join together. I love that one. I have 3 more of those. And then I have a couple other items to show you if I can get through them. This beautiful cross ring, gold cross ring. Love that. And that one, same thing. It has a little Fam is her name. I love that. I love that it gives back. This one I'm super excited about. This is a cuff bracelet, gold, and it's got the arrows. You see the arrows in there? Love the delicate. If you layer that with, oh my gosh, with this one or with that other bracelet that I just got, ooh, I can't wait to mix and match. Okay, where's my last one? I got them all mixed up. And then this one I'm super excited about because it's absolutely beautiful. Super delicate gold necklace with the cross and almost like an ivory mother of pearl behind it. And then on the other side, it says faith. I know you can't see that. But it says faith on the back. So super excited about that one. Obviously, I'll need to open them all up and play with them and show you all the ways to wear it. So definitely check me out. Now, stay with me. I know you guys are doing good. Yes. You want YouTube? 2 more minutes. Okay, real quick. I have a new mug. I'm obsessed with my Janessa Weight mug. I use it every day. It says something about giving yourself grace and reminding yourself how far you come. She has a new collection for Christmas time. Jesus, I know it's probably backwards. Jesus is the reason for the season. Hallelujah. She also has a red mug that says Merry and Bright. So it's a huge, heavy mug. That's a good hot cocoa mug. I also got this really soft scarf from one of our new brands called Fazzle. Fazzle supports orphanages, I believe. I'm trying to see. Every time you purchase from Fazzle, you are helping to provide orphaned and destitute children in India with food, shelter, education. What's more, we give fair, honest wages to the women in need who hand make every item. So they have hats, they have gloves, they have socks, and then I had to get this scarf. So it's handmade in India, in the Himalayas. Obviously, my hair is crazy. Oh, Molly, I know. The packaging is so pretty, and I can't wait to play with them and wear them. Oh my gosh, I need warmth all the time. Although it is just like crazy warm right now in Buffalo. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's my scarf. And then I won't be able to really show you accurately, but we have brand new clothing from Elegant Tees, which I love this brand. I have one of their cardigans already. I have loved it. It's super soft. This is another one of their cardigans in this beautiful burgundy. It's the ribbed cardigan. So you can see that slight ribbing in the fabric. I got the small. I have a small in the other cardigan. It fits me pretty well. It is more fitted in the sleeves, but I find them to be very true to size. And what I love is they have different things. So in the top, where you get your sizing, it says strength and honor are her clothing, and it's Proverbs 31:25. And then on here, 1 second, this is my last thing. Elegant Tees is a socially conscious clothing brand. Sex trafficking is rampant in Nepal, but this design fights against it. A portion of sales help restore survivors of trafficking. I mean, what more can you say? Beautiful clothes, beautiful scarves, beautiful jewelry. Everything gives back. Jewelrywithjackie.com. If you want to see anything, if you just want to give me your feedback, I would love it. If there's anything you see that you need, you know you can find me. And I will definitely be playing with the jewelry. Look out for some more videos. So I thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Be blessed.